असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hi children, welcome to Mallareddy Memorial School digital classes. In this video, let us discuss small farmers in Venkatapuram village. Here is a farmer called Ravi. Ravi is a small farmer in Venkatapuram village. Now let us discuss about this farmer. Ravi employs only one or two men workers, several women workers for harvesting groundnut. Men workers are generally engaged to uprooting groundnut plants, gathering bundles, and carrying the bundles to a place. Women workers are engaged in plucking groundnuts pods from the plant. Ravi's daughter was also plucking groundnuts. Ravi's daughter was also plucking groundnuts. Ravi did not send her to college in the nearby town as he was not able to pay the fees and other expenses. So she works in the fields now. So Ravi is a small farmer. He does not have sufficient money to send his daughter to school. He did not have money, and he has to pay fee, and also he has other expenses. That's why he did not send her daughter to school, and she is working in his fields now. Ravi has 4 acres of land with a bore well. Earlier he used to get water from the village tank. Nowadays water does not reach his fields. He has 4 acres of land, and he used tank water for his fields, but now he does not get tank water for his fields. About 5 years back, he borrowed 75,000 and dug a bore well. 5 years back, he dug a bore well with the cost of 75,000. For the first 2-3 years, he cultivated 2 crops a year. Since last year, water from the bore well is not sufficient to cultivate even 1 crop in a year. So in the earlier 2-3 years, he cultivated 2 crops, but since last year he did not, and there is no sufficient water to cultivate even 1 crop in a year. Farmers like Ravi need to borrow money to buy inputs like seeds, fertilizers, workers, and pesticides. He has to buy all these things for his groundnut field. What are they? He has to borrow money, and he has to buy inputs like seeds, fertilizers, workers, pesticides to take care of his groundnut plants. If the quality of seeds is not good, or if they apply fertilizers improperly, or if pests attack their crop, their yield will be low. So with all these effects, their crop will decrease, so they don't get sufficient yield in the field. Then they will be unable to pay back their loans because they take loans from the lenders and brokers. As Ravi is a small farmer, he does not have money to take care of his field. He has to take money from lenders or brokers. So with all these losses, he has to pay back his money. Sometimes he may not pay back his money. That's why he has to sell the crop. Whatever the crop he gets from his field, he has to give this crop to the brokers or to the lenders, whatever the rate that they fixed. Okay, so this is the situation of the small farmers like Ravi and others in Venkatapuram village. Okay, so they had to face a lot of money problems. They don't get loans from banks. They have to depend on private lenders and private brokers. So they ask more interest than a bank. Okay, so in the next video let us discuss about the contract forming. Thank you children, have a nice day.